Okay, so I came across this washing machine set up, and then they have the dryer and the gas vent, very hazardous looking gas vent. I told the tenant and the owner that this is a hazardous situation. They don't want to take care of it at this point. And they said they're going to have the new tenant install an elbow there. Meanwhile, we've got that line there is pretty well sort of pinched. We got the vent pinched slightly, and then a pretty tight angle on the gas line. And so they called me over here to tell me that the washing machine was leaking. And at this point, we don't see any leaks at all. None of the hoses are leaking. And it's possible that they have a slow drain. If their drain is slow, it'll overflow out the top here. And it looks by the lint here that it's overflowed before, although there's no sign of it on the wall. Well, we'll have to spin her out and see what happens with a full load, and what I'll do is check underneath with a flashlight to see if I can see any water leaking underneath.